Don't do it. Pill splitting, risks, guidelines, and safe practices. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that's often overlooked but is crucial for our health. We're talking about pill splitting. Yes, you heard it right, cutting your pills in half. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for updates on our latest videos. Let's get started. Many of us have been there. You need a smaller dose, you're trying to save on prescription costs, or you have trouble swallowing larger pills. So you think about cutting your pills in half. But did you know this seemingly harmless act could be dangerous? According to pharmacists, splitting a pill can be risky. The dangers of improperly cutting a pill include getting an incorrect dosage or altering the mechanism of how a pill works. For instance, you could accidentally change an extended-release pill, which slowly releases medication into your system, into an instant-release one. So, what should you do if you're considering splitting your pills? First and foremost, consult your doctor or pharmacist. Some pills are FDA approved for splitting, but manufacturer guidelines can change, so it's always best to check. Here's a quick tip. If a pill has a scored line in the center, it's usually designed to be split in half. But remember, there are exceptions, so always double-check the instructions or ask your pharmacist. However, not all pills should be split. Capsules, tiny pills, asymmetrical pills, and extended-release pills are usually not suitable for splitting. And remember, only split one pill at a time, just before you need to take it. If you do need to split a pill, there are safety practices to follow. Consider buying a pill cutter for a more precise split, and always wash your hands and the pill cutter between uses.
Do not stop taking any prescribed medications or treatments without consulting your doctor. The materials and the information contained on this channel are provided for general and educational purposes only, and do not constitute any legal, medical or other professional advice on any subject matter.